show you how to use the filters option. Filters allow you to restrict a report without displaying the information on the screen. I'll demonstrate this in borrowers area. I'll create a new query for loans. I'll choose borrower year, which is the scholastic year. Date lent, say date lent year. And I'm also going to choose borrower type. Borrower types are students and staff, so I'll choose borrower type as well. Now when I chose borrower type, it appears in the rows column and you can see the borrower type information on the screen. Let's say for the purpose of this report, I'd like to take away the staff borrowers from my report. I also don't want to show the information on the screen, so I'm going to move the borrower type field by dragging it into the filter field. Now to just filter on students, I'll click on borrower type, choose student on the left hand side, click the arrow to the right hand side and click OK. So now I'm filtering by the borrower type just the students, but I'm not showing this borrower type on the screen. So I can see each scholastic year across the top of the screen and how many loans they were issued in that particular year. Remember, this can be graphed as well by using the graph button on the right hand side. I'm just going to switch the axes around for this. Now it's got date, lent, year by the scholastic years. On the right hand side there's another button we haven't looked at yet. That's called the Sparkline. If you click on Sparkline, it puts a little line on the right hand side next to the figures and it shows a trend of the information. So you can see for year 3 borrowers it's gone from low and it's increasing, and looking at the year 9 borrowers it's gone from a high level, it's going low. So you can see whether it's peaking or dropping, etc. The more values you have across the field, the more peaks and troughs you'll see. But at a quick glance you can see the trend for those particular statistics. Remember, when you finish with the report, it's a good idea to save it so you can use it again in the future. I'm just going to call this, save the query, loans by scholastic year. And click on save. If we close that query at the top of the screen, we can still choose in the future by clicking from the list on the left hand side and just double clicking. And there it is.